ألا بذكر الله تطمئن القلوب.
شكرا يا ربي شكرا، هديت قلبي شكرا.
Have you tried various forms of meditation, but still not getting the real peace and comfort you are looking for? This video is about you. What is meditation? While traditionally meditation is defined as a mental exercise that involves relaxation, focus, and awareness. Originally, the word meditate actually means to think deeply about something. Generally, one of the main purpose of meditation is to achieve focus, peace, calmness or happiness. If you have tried various forms of meditation but not getting the real peace and contentment you are looking for, and something still appears missing, then this video is about you. Concept of meditation in Islam. The concept and purpose of meditation is way huge compared to the regular ones. It addresses the big cues that normally people might have ignored in their busy lives. Who am I? Why am I here on earth? What is life and death? Why do I born or die? What am I still missing, despite having all worldly comforts? What is the reality of all this? Who is behind all this? In addition to getting closer to understanding these big realities of life, getting real inner peace and tranquility is just a byproduct of this meditation. Without getting answers to these big questions, the feeling of peace or happiness is just an illusion or fake. Meditation and Zikr. In Islam, the concept of meditation is closely linked with Zikr, which means remembrance. Remembrance of your Creator and the purpose of your creation. The opposite of Zikr is ghafla, meaning forgetfulness. If we tend to ignore or forget the reality of ourself and our life, there remains a constant sadness inside us, even if everything apparently looks okay. It is like a GPS inside us. If we are not going in right direction of our set destination, the GPS would keep beeping and buzzing till we get back on right track. Only then it would stop buzzing inside. There are various forms of Zikr and meditation in Islam. However, in this channel we would focus on Zikr of heart and meditation around it. As Almighty says,
ألا بذكر الله تطمئن القلوب.
there are two important things in this form of meditation. 1. Name of Almighty. 2. Heart. Almighty says, "Blessed is the name of your Lord, owner of majesty and honor." Almighty can be called upon by many names, in various languages and with his various qualities. Those are names as per Almighty attributes. However, the personal name of our Creator is only one. Allah. Heart has a special place in our body, as well as soul inside. Messenger of Almighty, peace be upon him, says, "Verily, in the body is a piece of flesh which, if sound, the entire body is sound, and if corrupt, the entire body is corrupt. Truly, it is the heart." Method of meditation. There is no background music to hear during this meditation. By listening to a nice sound or music, a person might be temporarily entertained, but this is not what we are looking for. In fact, One of the goals of this form of meditation is to activate our internal senses or senses of heart by temporarily disconnecting from external physical senses of vision, hearing, touch, etc. There is no fixed sitting position, place or timing for doing this meditation. You can sit in a calm place, alone, preferably, so no distraction, in any comfortable posture. You have to 1. Close your eyes. 2. Concentrate on your heart. 3. Imagine a special blessing, tranquility is descending on your heart. And call out the name of Almighty continuously inside your heart, not from the mouth. This is like language or tongue of heart. Imagine your heart is saying the name of Almighty with every beat. Like this. Repeat this every day for 10 to 15 minutes, or whatever easily possible.